Hey everyone, tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Today I'm going to share a proven way to earn real cash online through rewards programs, paid surveys, and more. If boosting your earnings sounds like a dream come true, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our amazing money-making methods. We've got global opportunities for online earning, so comment your country below for region-specific videos. Alright, let's get started. First up, let's talk about HandBucks, your ultimate go-to for cash rewards. HandBucks is a get-paid-to, or GPT platform that offers a variety of ways to earn money online. From answering surveys and viewing ads to completing tasks and exploring offer walls, there's something for everyone. The best part? It's available globally, and signing up is completely free. Once you join HandBucks, you'll start earning HandBucks. That's the platform's currency. Every time you complete a task or survey, your rewards get credited to your account balance. And when you're ready to cash out, it's a breeze. Just head to the withdrawal section of your dashboard and choose your preferred payout option. Speaking of payouts, HandBucks offers several methods including Payoneer, Payeer, Faucet Pay, Perfect Money, AirTM, USDT, and even Binance Pay. That means you can choose the option that works best for you and get your money in a way that's convenient. Now, a quick tip for maximizing your earnings: make sure to take full advantage of all the features HandBucks offers. Complete as many surveys as you can, click on PTC ads, and don't forget to check out the referral program. By referring your friends and family, you can earn even more. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this information valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos about making money online. Explore, earn, and enjoy with HandBucks. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.